If you work on Windows, please download and install a program called cmder. It is console emulator for Windows. And you can use here almost all commands as I will use during this course on the Mac. Please download and install it right now and use it during entire course instead of built-in terminal application. Installed? If so, you are ready to move on. Did you like this video? It is part of the JavaScript Bible course. Link to the full-length course is now here, so please enroll if you want to become an expert in JavaScript. See you in the next videos. Bye.